what's up my Amazon sellers, and welcome back to the channel. In this video I will like to share with you one of my 30 tools, one of my 30 HTML tools that I create especially for Amazon sellers. Today I will show you the PPC Bid Master 2026. It has an awesome name, but if you want to check out my other tools or download the free one, you can always check out the link in the description to get on my website. But let me now show you the PPC Bid Master 2026. This is a very simple but very powerful tool. Let me show you why. On the left side you will input all your product details, your cost inputs like product name, retail price, currency, COGS, FBA fee, so on. And you click here, generate PPC bid prompt, and on the right side you will get this big engineered prompt. This is the engine behind this tool. So it looks simple, but in the background it runs really complex logic. So let's hit copy prompt, just one click, and we will go to ChatGPT. Let's go to ChatGPT. You can use Gemini or Grok, whatever. I also recommend to use those tools because you can compare all those results and you can make a better decision, of course. And now just paste it here, hit enter. And over here you will get a profit safe max CPC calculations that are adjusted for a 2026, exact phrase and broad bid recommendations, high intent keyword lists, and pre-blocked negative keywords that are here, down here. And this is practically what this tool does. It will take the information from your product information, put it in a prompt, and then you can just copy paste this prompt into any AI of your choosing, of your choice, and get the information. This will highly help you to make decisions because we know that PPC is all about the mathematics and the decision. And with the PDF that comes with the product, you will also get the 3-week optimization plan that you can follow to make your PPC campaigns awesome. And don't forget that you can just change the information on the left side and the prompt will adapt to the new information, to your new product. So you can actually, test multiple products with the multiple AI tools. And I think this will save you lots and lots of time. So this saves me a lot of time. Just a few clicks and you're done. And this is it. If you want to check out how I use the AI and my tools for keywords and keyword listing, you can check out this video over here. Thanks for watching and see you in some other video. Bye bye.